Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Read AI account to your Notion. So let's begin. First, go to the official website, log into your account, and on the left panel, click over here, Integrations. So I'm already here. You just need to scroll down a little bit, and you will see the Notion, which is currently not connected. So Notion push meetings and push meeting reports to Notion and search its pages for insights in Read. So just click on connect. It will just be the same process for uh, connecting your account. You can connect it using your Gmail and other or however you try to create your Notion. So just click on the confirmation. They might ask for your password for authentication. Click next and then click OK. And then you will be redirected back to your account here on Read AI. And then it was shown here that it's already been connected. Like, for example, this will show an option on which you can disconnect also. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.